Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today, guess what?
Yeah, guess what?
I'm gonna be doing an episode 3 of Wonderful Nail Art. And if you guys don't know what Wonderful Nail Art was, and if you're new to my channel, then it's basically me, doing some nail tutorials, not really tutorials, but showing how I do it. And I'll be popping up my first tutorials I've did on the screen here. So guys, let's start. And just saying that I didn't do much in this tutorial, and I bet everyone, like most of the people, knows this. So first I took 2 colors of my choice and I started painting my whole nail with a color. So I thought to put a basic color as like the base, if that makes sense. And yeah, now next what you need to do is you need to take your second color nail polish. So I'm going to be zooming in so you guys can see more. Okay, so I think you can't see me fully because I'm not looking at the camera. I'm just doing it. I'm just doing whatever I need to do. Okay, now I took the next color nail polish and I started painting. So what kind of design am I doing? That's the first question that comes in your head. Well, if you had it, then here's the answer. I am doing a slanting kind of nail polish design. So I'm like making a slanting mark and then filling one of the sides. So I don't know how to explain that, but yeah, right now I don't know where I'm keeping my hand and I don't know where I'm zooming into, so that's the main problem. You guys can't see me. But yeah, I made like a slanting kind of design with the golden color. And yeah, so you can see me more, I think. I just moved my hand. Yeah. So yeah, you can see me doing it. So this is how the final result turned out. I think I like it because it's too basic. I promise I'll try to make a better video next time. Well, yeah. I kind of like it. I just like it. It's pretty, Comment down below if you guys also like it on my nails. If you guys like it, then you guys do it too. And according to last video, we have to do some shout outs. So shall we do it? Let's do it in 3, 2, 1. So today's shout out goes to Sharma KM. It says #LeftHerSquad. By the way, I'm Pavitra. So shout out to Pavitra. And next shout out goes to Harshita Arun. And yeah. So it says please give a shout out in the next video. But it's better to put #LeftClapSquad, because that's what I requested. But still, since no one else is there, I'm going to be adding you to the shout out list. So, well done to get a shout out. So let's end this video. So guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, smash that like button and I'll see you all next time. Goodbye.